How to log in to another Gmail account in mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log in to multiple accounts on your Gmail app on phone. Now first what you want to do is open up the Gmail app. You'll get an interface like this. Now if you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see all the accounts that you have logged in. Now here you can see I've logged into 2 accounts. Now I just need to switch account. To switch account, what I need to do is simply tap on the other profile name and then I'll be able to switch my account. However, if you want to add another Gmail account, what you want to do is simply tap on add another account that you can see, and here you can choose any platform you want. I'll just choose Google, and then it'll ask you to verify. I'll just verify my security here, and it'll ask you. Now here you can either sign in or log in to another Gmail account, or you can either create an account by simply tapping on create account that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. So here once you do this, you will need to type in your email and then tap on next, and it'll ask you to type in your phone number and you'll be able to log in to another account. So hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.